know how. What if I'm wrong not to type? I don't wanna sound foul, cause I respect you too that much. I ain't in a rush. All I wanna become is the man you will love. You wanna fly away with me? 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 How can I make myself understood when you're not around? Wish I could have you right here by my side, lying down. Would be hard for me to say everything that's on my mind, but at least I don't have to worry if you're spending time with somebody else. And I know I can't say a thing, since we ain't a couple. It's none of my business who's your friend, but I can't help being jealous. But I guess that's okay when I do have feelings. Why should it be so hard to say?